All right, so how you're doing? So for our project, we built a system called Sonic Mesh, which you can see right here. This is a system that is running on Android devices. Basically, it eliminates the need for Wi-Fi and cellular networks during times of natural disasters or basically any emergencies, and you need to send a message to people within your community or first responders that are close to where you are. So starting off, this is the network interface. This is where you can see how many nodes are online, like how many devices are actually within range, or how many devices is your device connected to. And you can see here that there is this node 83F7A8 4D that is currently connected. That is the Android device that I have, that I'll be using as part of this demonstration as well. And this is my node ID 411 A9DO2, and this basically shows you what devices are connected and the two nodes, or the two modes of transportation that we have is radio frequencies or ultrasonic sounds. So this is just the general chat in which people within the like a range of about 100 yards maximum can communicate, and all the devices that are within this range will be able to see messages that are being sent. So let's say, for example, I say, hey, I need help. Help, and this message will be broadcasted to all the devices that are currently connected. So now I am going to respond on my Android device, so you can see that it actually connects. Okay, so these are basically saying that we have a link that has been established, and the Sonic fallback is actually operational. And let's say I am in need of just a really fast SOS response. I just click on this, and this will broadcast an message to everybody that is around me, and this SOS alert will be seen by everyone. Another cool feature that we added as well is the picture upload. Basically, if you click over here, it's going to open your gallery so you can see your pictures and you can send. So if you are trying to show a picture of something that's going on, unfortunately this virtual device doesn't have any pictures. So if you are trying to show something that's going on and you need to send a picture, it will be compressed into roughly about 5 to 10 kilobytes, and then it will be slowly sent over the network that is available. And then finally, this is the settings page, and on the settings you can change how you want the app to be running and how you want your profile to be shown. I don't know why this is popping up now. So here you can update your node name. You can change it to your actual name, or you can keep it like this if you need to maintain anonymity. And also this basically shows you like what protocols and what transport is being used to send. And as you can see, the Sonic fallback is currently using the GG wave of 18 to 20 kilohertz, and the maximum hops is 5. Basically, this makes sure that messages are not being lost within the network, but they're actually being sent exactly where we need them to be sent over to. And as for what is happening in the back end, this is the relay saver that I have running on the back end, and you can see out here that each time a device joins this network, it is logged, and every time that a device disconnects, you can also see. And like we changed the name of a node, you can also see all those changes being logged, and the same logging is also being done on the app. So if I click on diagnostics at the top right here, that will open up this diagnostics, which is basically a log of everything that is happening. So for example, when we sent out that SOS alert, you can see that the message was also logged here, and this makes it really easy for people to see what's happening within the network, and even if their messages are actually being sent or if they're being stuck. But that's pretty much what the whole app is about. Thank you so much.